Okay, we're on the landing. Just came in the front door. Goes downstairs. It's a nice little closet. I'm gonna go upstairs. And we'll find a cat in a laundry basket. Yes, you. This is the kitchen. Pretty big. We're all set up for our housewarming. Sorry about the vacuum. This is the living room. And we have the dining area, which we still need chairs to match that table. And then we come back around. This is the other side through the kitchen. This is the morning room. And you can go out that way onto the deck, or the lower part of the deck down to the pool. So now we'll go through the bedrooms and the hallway. There's the foyer area again. This is the hall bath. Pretty standard. Has a shower, tub combo shower. And we have the office, which this is where Louis lives. Looks out onto the front yard. Has a big closet in there. Linen closet at the end of the hall. And here's one of the spare bedrooms with the closet down there. Big window, and that's pretty much it. And this is the master bedroom, which has two closets here that are lit. That door goes out to the deck, and the windows look out onto the deck. Here's our master bedroom. And then we have the master bath, which is pretty similar to the other one, but a little bit bigger. And then we can go briefly out onto the deck.